This guy was just arrested for disturbing public order. Suddenly, the police officer had a heart attack. Putting aside any animosity, this young man called for help from other police officers.
Always keep an eye on your baby, and the father is always a hero of every child's.
Oh my God. A heart-stopping scene. Knowing that the child couldn't hold on for long, this hero didn't hesitate to tackle the danger and accomplish something extraordinary. Dogs are always wonderful companions. They also know how to distinguish between good and bad, and act like a hero.
A girl trapped in a car amidst a raging flood. It seemed impossible to reach her, but with the solidarity of goodness, a human chain formed by tightly gripping arms managed to pull her to safety just before the car was swept away. When we start to lose faith in humanity, we see humanity's goodness shine through. The way we treat others shapes the character of a person. It's truly an honor to have the support of these Marines. They do this even without seeking recognition. With her love for animals, this girl couldn't just walk away when she saw a baby deer entangled by a snake. Despite her fear, she did everything she could to rescue the fawn. Oh my God! A lemon shark with a knife stuck on its head approached the group of divers seeking help. One can only imagine how long it had endured this ordeal, and it was finally set free after putting its trust in humans. Not all superheroes wear capes. They leave no creature behind. This hero braved danger to rescue the dog. And this guy is caring for the cat after the fire. Look at how the cat expresses gratitude through gestures. Animals, like humans, also have emotions.
And have you ever experienced something like this? It's truly wonderful to have good friends around us. A touching moment when this police officer carried the child to a safe place to comfort them after the child's mother had an accident. The GoPro camera fell out of the car. Coincidentally, it fell right where this kind and honest guy was. The GoPro quickly found its way back to its right. And when we start to lose faith in humanity, we begin to see the good again. Not many people are willing to do this. The train attendant used himself as a bridge to help passengers move between two train cars. Respects! After the disappointing loss, a young fan came to encourage the team captain. There is no victory like winning in the hearts of the fans. And these two players compete in a game of rock, paper, scissors to settle their dispute. Winning isn't everything. Helping others win creates a meaningful victory. This guy raises his child alone, so he's quite busy. But luckily, he lives in a neighborhood full of kind-hearted people. The guy was fishing when he noticed a squirrel struggling to swim to shore. And today he saved a life. Human waste is always a nightmare for animals. If you've ever rescued any animal species, please comment to let us know. A minute of our help sometimes equals a whole day for the lazy sloth. Let's see how it shows gratitude to the one who helped it. This woman has raised the bird since it was a baby without confining it to a cage. And now, the bird visits her every day. This boss always cares about the personal lives of employees. On his birthday, the employees presented him with a gift as a token of appreciation for his kindness.
Oh my god! Are you kidding?
And here is a part of the gift that the restaurant owner gave to the diligent employee who has been biking to work for 2 years. The grandmother invited this delivery guy to dinner with her family when he delivered the order, just as they were about to have dinner. The homeowner left snacks and drinks outside to thank the delivery guys, and look how happy this made him.
Hey, do you mind if we record you really quick?
Love grows by giving.
It's a big order and we wanted to give you a big tip tonight. This is $500. Is that enough?
The love we give away is the only love we keep.
Yeah. If you don't mind. It's $500. Yeah.
We all want to help one another. Human beings are like that. We want to live by each other's happiness, not by each other's misery. How we treat those in need creates a person's dignity. This is a heartwarming moment of a homeless person and his 2 dogs. Despite being materially poor, the love he has for his 2 dogs is priceless. This is a reunion between the girl who used to care for these 2 squirrels since they were babies. After 7 years, they still remember her as their savior. This is a reunion between the girl who used to care for these 2 squirrels since they were babies. After 7 years, they still remember her as their savior. This man encountered an octopus on the sandbank. He brought it back to the sea, and look how it expressed gratitude before leaving.
Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Oh.
The daughter secretly donated her kidney to her father despite his strong opposition. This is enough to understand how much the daughter loves her father. This is the reunion of two brothers after 12 years of separation. When the door opened, an emotion burst. The most meaningful gift for children this Christmas. Not letting his sister have low self-esteem, the brother did this to accompany his sister in fighting the disease.
May this orphan kangaroo feel the warmth of a mother's love. This is the moment when the monkey reunites with its owner after a long period of medical treatment. Love is the only thing that transcends language barriers among all species. Let's follow the journey to befriend a wolf. Perhaps our ancestors domesticated the first dogs through this method. What would happen if animal lovers were in the right jobs they love?
Need a little more room. So we just want to bless you and...
This is the tip money that loyal customers gave to him before his wedding as a token of appreciation for his dedicated service. This is the largest amount of money he has ever received. Greatness is not found in possessions, power, position, or prestige.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear blanket. Happy birthday to you.
It is discovered in goodness, humility, service, and character. The young man changed the life of a homeless person by giving him a food truck. There is no happiness in having or in getting, but only in giving. The girl suddenly had a seizure. Sensing something was wrong, this intelligent dog blocked a car to seek help. A loyal friend indeed. This girl is trying to protect Jerry from Tom. Despite having to break the pipe, the girl brought light to the bird once again.
Get out now?
Surely the athletes will receive an extra 500% boost of strength from this adorable little boy. This boy returned to school after his house burned down. Waiting for him were gifts from his classmates, little angels. This grandfather is preparing breakfast for his granddaughter during her college entrance exam, a powerful support from the home front.
It's a tale of small acts of kindness, yet they hold immense value and meaning. Remember, every act of compassion can ripple positivity far and wide. Let's spread love and kindness together so we can build a better world. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover more meaningful stories like this. Thank you for joining us on this journey.